Hi everybody, Mike Pfeiffer. I'm coming to you from the Albuquerque, Carnwell, and Tijeras N-Scale Railroad, and I'd like to invite you all to the 2020 National N-Scale Convention being hosted by the N-Scale enthusiasts. Let me tell you a little about it. The convention this year is going to be held in Nashville, Tennessee, as I said, and it will be from June 24th to June 28th of 2020. The hosting hotel will be the Sheraton Music City in Nashville. Their phone number is 615-885-2200. You'll get special rates there and so forth. As I said, this will be the 28th National, and I'm sure that there are many things planned to do in Nashville, and I'm sure there are many things to do in Nashville. So we would appreciate seeing you there. If you need any information on the convention that you can't get from me, which I am very limited, but if you'd like information on the convention, go to www.nationalnscaleconventionaltogether.com, or just type in Google National N-Scale Convention 2020. You'll find it. Like I say, going to be in Nashville, going to be a lot of fun. You can go to the website, you can look up the info, and the registration will be open on December the 9th. I'm not exactly sure when the hotel will start taking reservations. That may be the 9th as well. But I just wanted to take a moment to get with you all and invite you all to come and see everything there is to see in Nashville, along with seeing a lot of great N-Scale people. And I would also encourage you to think heavily about joining the N-Scale enthusiast. You get a magazine, you get a yearly car, a train car, for joining N-Scale enthusiast. They do lots and lots of special run cars. There's all kinds of information in here, all kinds of photographs, just a ton of information in here, and it supports everything that the N-Scale enthusiast does. And you would be surprised the amount of work and things that go into creating the convention, creating the magazine, the stories, all the information that's here, and the work and effort that goes into all these special run cars that they make. So look up N-Scale Enthusiast and join us if you would. And please go to the website and look up National N-Scale Convention 2020 and join us in Nashville for the fun on June 24th through June 28th. Look forward to seeing you, and thanks for watching the video.